What is Asana project management? In this quick video, I'll break it down so you can see how Asana helps you and your team get organized, stay on track, and hit your goals. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can try it completely free with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Asana is a popular project management tool designed to help teams track their work and achieve their objectives. It's perfect for small teams or large companies that need to streamline their processes. The first thing Asana allows you to do is create tasks. Whether you're working on a simple project or something complex, Asana lets you organize all your to-dos, add deadlines, and assign responsibilities. No more endless email threads or sticky notes. Everything's in one place. Next thing, Asana's flexibility. It offers several views to manage your tasks. You can use a simple list or switch to a board view that looks like a digital version of a Kanban board where you can drag and drop tasks across columns. If you're more into Gantt charts, Asana's timeline view lets you plan your projects in a visual way. Whether you're into lists or visual layouts, Asana adapts to how you work best. The third thing is Asana's collaboration features. It's not just about tracking tasks, it's about working together. You can comment on tasks, mention team members, and keep everything linked in one place. So when someone updates a task, everyone on the team knows. No more confusion or missed information. Now, for the fourth thing, Asana integrates seamlessly with other tools you're already using. From Google Drive to Slack, Dropbox, and even Salesforce, you can connect your workflows and keep all the information synced. Asana doesn't work in isolation, it enhances your existing tools, making it a powerful part of your workflow. Moving on, Asana helps with reporting and tracking your progress. It's easy to see what's on track and what needs attention. Whether you're a project manager looking for a high-level view or a team member keeping track of your own tasks, Asana's reporting features help you stay on top of everything. You can even set up automatic reports that update you on the status of your projects, so nothing slips through the cracks. The sixth thing is automation. Asana has a feature called Rules that allows you to automate repetitive tasks. This means you can set up actions that trigger when something happens, like moving a task to a new column once it's marked as complete. It saves you time and lets you focus on what really matters. Finally, let's talk about cost. Asana offers a free version with most of the essential features you need. But if you're looking for more advanced options like timeline views, custom fields, or advanced reporting, Asana's paid plans offer those too. And if you click the first link in the description below, you can get access to an extended free trial of Asana with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. In summary, Asana is a powerful project management tool that makes it easy to organize, track, and collaborate on tasks. Whether you're managing a small project or leading a large team, Asana's flexibility, collaboration tools, integrations, reporting, and automation features can help streamline your workflows. And remember, you can try Asana completely free with exclusive bonuses from the first link below. Thanks for watching.